moments later.
Hi mga ka-self! So those who are waiting for our vlog, okay, today we will have a mukbang Q&A. So, what are you going to say? Oh God! I'm so sorry guys because this is our first vlog, so you know this is very raw. So, let's eat and chat! So guys, I prepare for seafood galore. It means just like, you know, very, you can see it in the Philippines or USA. There's, we call it orange basket? Orange bucket. Bucket, I'm so sorry. It's the orange bucket, but here is seafood orange Malaysia. Okay, so I don't want to wait you long. Wow, we wait you longer. So let's go to eat now, sister, brother, and mga kaself. Okay, let's go eat na baby ko. And we have a Q&A.
Okay, what's your favorite food?
Actually, seafood is the reason why it's our first vlog and it's seafood galore. Right, baby?
Why did you start vlogging?
Actually, we've been thinking this one for a long time, but it's just that it's so hirap. And then I'm not yet that fully decided to start the vlogging with my son. And during that time, my son is not yet, I don't know whether it's mature enough to do the vlogging. So I asked his permission first before I started this kind of content. I'm so sorry guys because my son is very, you know, he's very fun. Only between the two of us, but of course, you know.
So, when did you move to Malaysia?
I think that was 2013 when we arrived here in Malaysia. So I just gave birth to Gigi 2012, and then after that we come back here in Malaysia, and then that's all up to now.
How old are you now, Gigi?
I'm turning 14.
And are you still in school?
Yes.
How's school?
Good.
What job do you have here in Malaysia?
Actually, I have a lot of job here in Malaysia since 2013. I'm working as a how can I call it? Marketing executive in LBC. You know, the packing of the boxes. So I worked there for a year, and then after that I applied in a bank, which is OCBC Bank, for 2 years. So guys, please bear with me with my English because it's already 5:30 p.m. now that we are doing vlogging. So you know there's an expiry date. So after 2 years in OCBC Bank, I applied in GIM, which is an IT company like a BPO. So I started working there since 2016 up to 2020. Then I worked for 2 years also in Concentrix during pandemic, and then after that I go back to my company, the previous one, which is GIM now in Infosys. So 2022 up to now as a transition specialist. Thank you, Infosys.
What makes you happy?
What makes you happy, baby? Is it because of mom? Well, you have to answer it.
Yes.
What? You haven't said.
What makes you happy?
I don't know. Anything?
Anything.
Ano ba naman mga sagot eh?
Mommy, what makes you happy?
What makes me happy? Of course, beside my son, who is very nonchalant. Charing. No, for me, I'm being happy if my son is healthy, I'm healthy, all my loved ones are healthy, and I have a lot of money. But right now, I don't have money. That's why we started vlogging. Oh my God, I'm so sarap the seafood galore, aka ads.
What is your biggest pet peeve or kinaiinisan?
Buti tinagalog mo kasi I don't know the pet peeve. What is your pet peeve, baby? Sugot ka naman anak, puro kakain ng kain. Ayun. Pet peeve is
Annoying.
annoying. Yeah, something like that.
Annoying?
Yeah, that makes annoy you, make make inis.
Example, loud chewing.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one.
Right, loud chewing like a pig, right? Yeah. For me, my pet peeve is being so mayabang, right? Mayabang. I don't like mayabang.
Coffee or milk tea?
Oh, milk tea. You baby.
Milk tea.
Sweet or spicy?
You.
Spicy.
Sweet.
Favorite mukbang food so far?
So for this is the first time, so this is a seafood galore.
One seafood you can eat forever.
Seafood that I can eat forever.
Spicy.
Fried squid. For me, it's shrimp.
What's your comfort food?
Comfort food.
Ice cream.
Yeah, for him, ice cream. Me, I don't know. Egg? Boiled egg. Very shy? Huh?
A bit.
Me, yeah, very shy.
What keeps you motivated to vlog?
At first, actually, nahirapan talaga kami kung mag-start kami mag-vlog. Kasi at the same time, dami na nagba-vlog. Nag-iisip din kami, ano ipapakita namin sa tao? Naisip namin, so gusto namin na maging parte ng ibang tao na gusto kami makilala ni Gigi, especially si Gigi, because Gigi is very introvert. I cannot say that he is very introvert, kasi naman siya, socialize naman siya sa ibang tao. Siguro gusto ko lang siyang mag-boost yung confidence niya. Kaya ako nag-decide, hindi lang ako, kaya ako rin siya pinush mag-vlogging to boost the confidence. Kasi ako sobrang na yung confidence ko. So, kailangan nalilipat, like that.
What content can viewers expect?
I think more on our daily routine and at the same time, some activities that we can do together.
Last question. Message to your viewers.
Your first baby.
Message?
Yeah.
To the viewers.
Be healthy. And safe.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
That's all. Okay, thank you. So, to my baby said, for safety and healthy. For me, mga kaself, just keep on watching, supporting us. Because this is our first attempt vlogging. I hope you guys enjoy and know a bit better between me and Gigi. Thank you. Thank you for watching our first vlog, me and Gigi. I hope you can comment below if you have any questions or requests that we can vlog. So, don't forget to like,
Subscribe.
and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the next video.